Good morning, guys, from beautiful, sunny Mazatlan, where the forecast is for a little bit of rain. Really unusual, but the sky's quite dark. When I come over from the market here to Toledo's along the Saltus, some of the automatic lights were on. Like the ones that come on at night, security lights, all that kind of stuff. The sky was that dark. Very unusual. So guys, I'm on my way home from Toledo's, Fonda de Toledo, and a few beer there. That was fun. It was nice. Nice to be able to sit there and just watch the people go by. And I don't know. It's like his beer prices are way too high, and that's why I only go and have a couple, 3 on a good day, and that's about it. And so anyway, having said that, yeah, having said that, with this YouTube channel, what a freaking joke. You need to earn $100, in my case, because it's a Canadian channel, $100 Canadian before they pay you. And, oh my God, the more and more subscribers I get, the less and less they pay me. It's really kind of frustrating. So this month, I look at my total in what Google calls AdSense revenue, and $113. Yeah, $113. And so on the very last day, they say, oh yeah, but we got to take $16 worth of taxes out of that. So you only have $97. So now I'm left wondering if I'll get a check at all. My God, you guys, if you appreciate what I do, and this adds any value to your life, add $1 or $2 each month for watching. Jeez. I think it's been 3 months since a viewer has contributed $2. Pretty disheartening. I wonder what I'm doing it for sometimes. Frustrating. So I'm back at the headquarters. Oh my God, this guy's selling water. The last guy was going by selling avocados. The dogs barked. Racket. Oh, God. Anyway, so I'm going to value my channel the way my viewers value my channel. If you see absolutely no value in it, and you can't add $1 or $2 contribution to watching it, oh, I've watched 30, 40, 60, 90 videos in the last few months, and I've given you nothing. I'm going to stop doing it. It's up to you guys.